what you have to do, you have to learn all the chapters. सारे का सारा आपने चैप्टर याद करना है. And just for the sake of writing convenience, मैं आपको एक या दो questions दिया करूंगी, which you will write it down on your copies. ठीक है? If you people want more homework, I can give you, but ड्यू टू दिस रीजन के बहुत से बच्चे वैसे ही लिख के दे देते हैं, आप लोग लर्निंग नहीं करते हो. आई एम नॉट गिविंग यू दैट मच होमवर्क. सो अपना कंसंट्रेट जो है वो लर्निंग के ऊपर करें एंड मेक श्योर कि आप लोगों की लर्निंग जो है वो बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए. ठीक है? नाउ ऑल द बॉयज प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर कैमरास. मुझे ये बात रोजाना रिपीट ना करनी पड़े. सलीम, मुसफ, ताबीन, अली, मुदस्सिर, ऑल ऑफ यू.
एक्सक्यूज मी मिस.
यस सहर.
टीचर, वो मैं कह रही थी कि जो आपने होमवर्क दिया था, मैं उन नोट्स की बात कर रही हूँ, वो मैंने कलेक्ट नहीं किए थे.
अब आपको जो होमवर्क आई थिंक सेकंड होमवर्क मिलेगा, बट आई थिंक इट इज नॉट द फर्स्ट वन व्हिच वन इज प्रोवाइडेड टू यू, because each homework is having some marks, and if you are not giving it on the specified time, your marks will be 0 for that purpose. ठीक है? जिन्होंने सबमिट कराया था काम, उनके मार्क्स लग चुके हैं आउट ऑफ 10, और जिन्होंने नहीं कराया था उनका 0 है. And if you people are sending me with the second homework, I will definitely check it, but I will not give any marks.
Okay.
ठीक है? This is school policy, not mine. Okay, Kaleem.
कलीम बात ही है.
Better switch on your camera. Okay, Musaf, you didn't send your science copy. What is the issue? Musaf? Musaf, are you there? Your connection is not stable. Okay, fine. Kaleem, did you get back your copy? Hurry up, don't waste my time. Jaldi jaldi shabash batnaye. Kaleem, did you get back your copy? Kaleem, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now tell me, किसने होमवर्क किया हुआ था at the end?
Teacher मम्मा ने.
That's very very bad.
Yes.
Class 8. मैंने कहा that's really very bad. You are in class 8, लेकिन देख लो आप वही हरकतें करते हो, मामा से काम कराते हो, class 6 वाली बातें. It is not fair.
एक मिनट. कलीम दो फोन. कलीम.
Yes, Tabeen, did you send the homework?
Yes, teacher.
Was it checked? Tabeen, bete, was it checked?
टीचर अभी वापस नहीं आया.
वापस नहीं आया. Okay. Ali, Ali, please unmute yourself. सारे बच्चे अपने माइक म्यूट कर दें. Only the person I am calling, वही बच्चा अपने आप को unmute करेगा. That's it. Remaining class, mute yourself. Yes, Ali. Did you get the homework?
Yes.
बेटे अली, what have you done? आपको सही तरीके से पढ़ना नहीं आता? Don't you know what was our homework? Rather than concentrating कि आपको क्या मिला हुआ है, आपने क्या करना है, you are doing all the pages. Tell me, what was it? Give me the answer.
समझ नहीं आई थी, मैंने सारा कर लिया.
क्यों समझ नहीं आया था मेरा बेटा? आपको क्लासेस में नहीं आते, आप मुझसे पूछ नहीं सकते. मैं बार बार आपसे कहती हूँ any question, any question, any question. In the starting of class as well in the end of the class, I always prefer कि आपसे पूछूं कि any question regarding homework, regarding lecture. तो आपने मुझसे क्यों नहीं पूछा? This is really ridiculous कि आप लोगों को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. आपको, आपने सिर्फ ऐसे किया हुआ है, और उसमें कौन सी इतनी, मैंने कोई पर्शियन लैंग्वेज लिख के भेजी हुई थी. It was in simple English that these are the topics covered in the classes. You have done it, and this is the work you have to do on your copy. So what's bad in it? नेक्स्ट टाइम से ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके जी, वी आर मूविंग. Sufyan. Sufyan is here after so long. Yes, Sufyan, why was you absent? Sufyan, are you in the class? Switch on your camera. This is not the way. Okay ji, we are going to start our today's lecture. It was very necessary to discuss the homework with all of you. In the previous chapter, we have done Musaf, tell me in the chat box, why didn't you send the homework? Your remaining homework was over there, but not of science. All of you open page number 26 of your books. But if we are going to start our lecture, after that I am going to ask who is raising hand, right? Okay, ji. In the last lecture, we have discussed about inheritable and non-inheritable characters. Inheritable characters are those characters. I am just revising it for all of you so that if anybody didn't attend the class, they will come to know that on which topic we are right now. Okay. So I was telling you about inheritable characters. Inheritable characters are those types of characters which are inherited from our parents. Like it can be our hair color, it can be the texture of our hair, it can be the shape of our hair. Like some of you have curly hair, some of you have straight hair. So all it is inheritable characters. Then there is another type of character which is non-inheritable, which are not passed from generation to other generation. And I have told you, I have given you the example that someone get accidents and some body organ or body part is lost, then it is not possible ke wohi cheez aage generation mein run kare. Now here is examples of inheritable characters. Number one is eye color. The color of eye, all of you know is different. In Asia, usually we have black and hazelnut brown color most of the times. And this is the, you can say, the specifications of all the Asian people. But अगर हम पूरी दुनिया में देखें around the globe, तो क्या होता है कि eyes color is different from one person to another. Like foreigners जो होते हैं, they have blue, they have green, they have grey color. ये सारे का सारा उनमें genetically inherit होता है from their parents. So I'm going to read it line by line. The color of the eyes in an organism is controlled by a pair of genes. This is the very important line. You can underline it. Basically, हमारी eyes का color क्यों change होता है? Because of pair of genes. We have different kind of genes for everything. That's why it is controlled by the genes. So thus it is an inheritable character. The genes control the production of brown pigment in the iris of the eyes. Now all of you must be familiar with the part of eye which is iris, and इसमें इसके अंदर हमारे जो हैं वो genes present होते हैं जिसकी वजह से हमारी eye का color जो है वो different होता है. If the genes work and produce more pigment, the eyes are black. Obviously black color कब बनता है? When you are going to mix up all the colors, the final color scheme you will get is black. मीन्स आप एक चीज है, अगर ये कॉमन ऑब्जर्वेशन है, प्राइमरी कलर जो है हमारे उनको मिक्स करना शुरू करें एंड यू आर गोइंग टू ऐड व्हाटएवर द कलर यू वांट, फाइनली यू गेट अ ब्लैक मिक्सचर. सो जितना जितना पिगमेंट कहते हैं उस कलर को, जितना जितना पिगमेंट की कंसंट्रेशन उसकी जीन्स ज्यादा होते जाएंगे, उसकी टेंडेंसी ब्लैक आई कलर की तरफ ज्यादा होती चली जाएगी. Production of very less pigment results in light brown eyes. Now you can see in the diagram the light brown eyes जो हैं, this is this one. Let me show you. This one. If you have the books, you will be able to see it more clearly. So you can see the remaining eye colors, black. This one is very common over here. This one is common. This one is common. And few people also have gray colors, like in your class, I don't remember किसी की इस color की eyes हो. So blue, green and hazel eye colors and are developed due to production of brown pigment in different amounts. Then we have attached or detached earlobes. Many of you have this kind of earlobe जो कान आपका जुड़ा हुआ होता है, and remaining are having free earlobes. So you can see this is also genetically inherited. Means अगर आपके पेरेंट्स में से किसी के पास इस तरीके से ears की lobes हैं, तो there is a tendency कि आप लोगों में भी हो, और कुछ siblings में नहीं होती है. So this is also example of inheritable character. In some people, the earlobes are attached with the sides of the face, while others have free earlobes. This character is also controlled by the genes. When the said genes work, the earlobes hang freely. Hang freely मतलब detach होती हैं, जो कि आपस में जुड़ी हुई नहीं होती हैं. ठीक है? Like this one, the second one. ये. When some people do not have this gene, their earlobe remain attached with the sides of the face. Means इसमें ऐसा इतनी important कोई भी बात नहीं है, simple सी बात है, but the very important thing एक point है that why it is so. तो आपका आंसर होना चाहिए because this character is controlled by our genes, and when we have this gene, तो हमारी जो earlobe है, it is hanging freely, and जिन लोगों के पास ये gene नहीं होती, उनकी face के साथ attach होती हैं. Right? So in the next page, page number 27, all of you please go to your books and open it. Okay, this is activity you can do if you want to do. Very simple activity. Activity number 2.2, comparing characteristics related to eye color. Observe the eye color of your classmates and friends and record your observations in the table given below. Means boys की class जो है, you can जब schools open होंगे, you will be able to do that. Then you can write down the name of your friends. Then you have to check what's the eye color. Write it down, and then you have to ask either this color is inherited from your paternal side or from your mother's side. ठीक है? Then second activity, activity 2.3. आप इसमें सबसे पहले क्या कर सकते हो? Number 1 में you can write down about your own self. Let's say if I'm talking about Mudassir will write down number 1, Mudassir Rashid, eye color, whatever you have, and then you will write down either it's from your paternal or maternal side. Then after that you will do it in your class. Then comparing characteristics related to earlobe. Same, if you will done that, you are going to write down first your own name, then you will check that earlobe is attached or free, and then you are going to ask that either it is from your mama side or from baba side, right? So this was the table. You can do it when the schools are going to be open, but right now आपने क्या करना है? You can write down in the very first line by yourself. अपने बारे में आप उसमें लिखेंगे. ठीक है? Then we are moving on page number 28. There is an interesting information you can see. आपने छोटी सी informations को भी miss नहीं करना है. All right. For your information, characters of living things are controlled by the genes on the chromosomes. ये तो आपको पहले से ही पता लग गया हुआ है. So mitosis is a great blessing of nature. If there were no mitosis, the number of chromosomes could not have been maintained constant. So this is a very, very important natural phenomena. Without it, life ceases. Life is not possible. Sabine and Kaleem, unable to see, bete. Then similarly, meiosis also has a significant importance in controlling the hereditary characters generation after generation. And key points उन बच्चों के लिए जिन्होंने सही से हमारा ये क्लास अटेंड नहीं की है. Now I am explaining it line by line ताकि आपको पूरी की पूरी चीज क्लियर हो जाए. Number 1, we have discussed in this chapter about cell division, that how a cell is going to be divided and what are the characters, what are the factors that controls during cell division. ठीक है? Cell division क्या है? This is the definition. You can mark it from here. The process by which a parent cell means जिससे further division होनी है आगे cells की, right? By which a parent cell divides into 2 daughter cell is called cell division. This is a very simple definition, that a parent cell is going to be divided into 2 daughter cells, right? Then mitosis. This is the definition of mitosis, and in the second homework I have given you define mitosis. So you have to write down the definition from here. Mitosis is a process in which a parent cell means जिससे division होनी है divides into two daughter cells with same number of chromosomes as in the parent cell. Now let's say parent cell में अगर हमारे पास if we have two chromosomes, then it is not possible that it is going to be converted into four. Two daughter cells will be formed and each daughter cell has two chromosomes, but the total is four chromosomes because two daughter cell है तो two एक में two chromosomes तो दूसरे में भी two chromosomes होंगे. So we will get total of four, but individually एक daughter cell में number of chromosomes will be the same as it was in the parent cell. कलीम क्या बात है बेटे, आप स्क्रीन क्यों टच कर रहे हैं? Then meiosis. Meiosis is a process in which a cell divides twice. मतलब सेल की डिवीजन जो है वो दो मर्तबा होती है to form four daughter cells. Mitosis और meiosis का major difference ही ये है. Mitosis is also a division in which we get two daughter cells, but in meiosis we get four daughter cells in such a way that the number of chromosomes in daughter cell is reduced, and इसमें जो number of chromosomes हैं वो reduce हो जाते हैं, half हो जाते हैं. Let's say if it is 4 in the parent cell, when we will get daughter cell it will be 2, ठीक है, is reduced to half compared to that in the parent cell. ये दोनों points, इसमें दो points हैं, we have discussed in the table on page number tabulated form में है आपके पास 22, उसमें हमने सारे के सारे points discuss किए हैं. Then number 4 point is that transmission of characters from parents to offspring is called heredity. के आपके जो different characters हैं inheritable like eye color, hair का texture, hair color, your face color, your complexion, each thing that is transferring from parents to offspring. Offspring is children. Is called heredity, वरासत जिसको हम बोलते हैं उर्दू में, ठीक है? The characters which are transmitted to the next generation are called inheritable characters. We have just discussed it. Now there are examples: eye color, skin color, hair color, free or attached earlobes, height, intelligence, etc. are inheritable characters. Now you can see intelligence. कितनी जहानत है आप में, it is also inherited from your parents as well. The basic physical and functional unit of heredity is called genes, right? This is the definition of gene. Genes act as instructions to make molecules called proteins. Genes are located on chromosomes. Genes कहाँ पे होती हैं? They are present on chromosomes. The number of chromosome is constant for every kind of organism. If it is going to be changing, the species is going to be changed. Let's say in human beings, how many chromosomes I have told you we have? How many number of chromosomes we have? कौन बताएगा मुझे? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yes, Khadija. Yes, Khadija. Khadija, you can unmute yourself. Khadija, hurry up, bete, if you want to tell. Yes, Musaf has told me the answer. It is 46. Good. But if it is fluctuating from 46 to 48, what happens?
46.
46 is in human beings. But if it is fluctuating from fluctuate होता है तो shuffle होना, एक move कर जाना किसी चीज से. 46 से 48 हो जाए. वालेकुम अस्सलाम मुजम्मिल.
कौन सा पेज नंबर है?
Muzammil, we are doing page 28 exercise. Key points we are discussing.
46 human beings की होती है और 48 monkeys.
Yes, बेटे क्या बता रहे हो आप? Who is telling me? Muzammil, mute yourself. This is not the way, beta. You are attending the class after 30 minutes and you are creating fuss in the class. This is not good. Yes, who was telling me, beta? Please tell me again. बेटे कौन बता रहा था?
आपकी स्क्रीन शेयरिंग को कुछ हो गया है।
टीचर मैं बता रही थी,
जी बताएं।
ह्यूमन बींग की 46 होती है और आई थिंक सो एनिमल्स की 48 होती है।
Yes, Roma, you are correct. If the chromosomes number which is 46 in human beings means we all have 46 number of chromosomes. लेकिन अगर ये fluctuate कर दें 48, it is converted into the monkey. You always said कि आपने कभी सुना होगा इंसान भी कभी बंदर था. This was not the case, but मैं आपको बता रही हूँ just because the difference of two chromosomes, number of chromosomes, man की जो species है, it is going to be converted into monkey. There is just the difference of two chromosomes. आपने देखा होगा कुछ लोग होते हैं वो extraordinary tall होते हैं. Let's say अगर आप टीवी के सोशल मीडिया की बात करें, you have seen so many people, they are conducting the interview of that people कि जी आपकी हाइट इतनी है इतनी है इतनी है, या कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनकी हाइट बहुत छोटी होती है बट एज उनकी बड़ी होती है. तो जिनका बहुत से आप जैसे बच्चे जो हैं शरारती किस्म के, ये मजाक भी उड़ाते हैं. दिस इज रियली वेरी रॉन्ग. ये उनके अपने हाथ में नहीं है, इसमें सारे के सारे नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स का इशू है. आपके नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स जो हैं वो मिसमैच हो जाते हैं. मींस इफ इट इज 46 इट माइट बी 47, इट माइट बी 45, इट माइट बी 43, जिसकी वजह से हम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स में ये एबनॉर्मेलिटीज आती हैं और उसका जो है वो प्रॉपर कह लें आप इस चीज का एक ट्रीटमेंट होता है. ठीक है. The number of chromosomes is constant for every kind of organisms. Last one, when a sperm and an egg fuse to form zygote, the characters are transferred in the zygote. Zygote, after passing through various changes, develops specific characters in the new baby. So this was all about chapter number 2. Now we are moving into the next page, which is our exercise. This is our exercise. Those students who don't have the book, they can take a screenshot from here. And this is your homework. You have to do it by yourself. All right. My connection is not getting stable. I don't know what's going on. So please take a screenshot and listen it very carefully. आपने ये homework करना है. There are 9 MCQs on this page. You have to do it by yourself. You have to do it by yourself. Then on page number 30, I will discuss with all of you in the next class. ठीक है? So if you have any question, you can ask me right now. Okay, I am unmuting. Yes, Sahar, first your turn. What do you want to ask?
Teacher, it is out of the